let's us be serious about this FOLA TINUBU and AREMU AFOLAYAN. Forget all the crews and all the wala. It's all about Hofti. So I'm pay on analysis come away. I confidential with so that's just it. But on a very serious note, everybody deserves to be happy. Both of them, I don't think Osento one the oko. Osento níyàwó lé náà, they are both single parents.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa arábìnrin yìí ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní wípé kí wọ́n fi FOLA TINUBU lẹ̀ àti AREMU AFOLAYAN ó ní àwọn méjèèjì yìí ó ní wọ́n dáa fúnra wọn o ó ní kò sí nǹkan kan tí ó ṣe àwọn méjèèjì ó ní AREMU ó ní olówó lọ́wọ́ ó tún dá lọ́mọkùnrin ó ní FOLA náà ó ní òun náà rẹwà ó tún fáìn náà ó ní ó sì níwà pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin yìí sọ nìyí wípé kí gbogbo ayé gbogbo àwọn social media kan jáwọ́ fẹnu àtẹ́lu àwọn méjèèjì.
And I don't know, to me, I don't know, they are perfectly okay for each other. I don't know about my best scenario analysis. I'm not surprised. I'm not sure because I'm a bombo. But this person is single. Both of them, they are as in Onishela Consciato AREMU AFOLAYAN. It's very, very much okay. Egbagbe is okay. Olowo is fine financially. Ọpọlọ tún wá ní. Hey, ṣé obìnrin pàdé kìíní kan lọ́nà gbogbo obìnrin ní ọwọ́ ṣàbọ̀ lọ ṣe ń sọ yẹn náà ni ó tún ní. FOLA TINUBU náà on her own side, she's a very pretty woman. She's very pretty and she's doing well for herself. She have a business, her house, and she's taking care of her children all by herself. So please let us calm down and be happy for them. You know, I'm just happy if they're happy together. There's no big deal. I beg. Just love her. Thank you.